is that tender there?
Yeah.
Hurt a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Feel better now?
Yeah.
Good. I'm gonna push on your back, okay?
Okay.
You're doing so good. Can I hold that for you too?
No.
No? Okay. Can I get you on your back? Okay. Oh, good job. Okay, you ready? Okay, Mama's gonna give you a bear hug, okay?
Okay.
And tuck that chin in for me. Good. Exhale, okay? Very good. How'd that feel?
Good.
That felt good? Okay, we're not done. Let's get your neck. So I'm gonna bring you up here a little bit more, okay? You're doing so good. So Mommy's doing some craniosacral work, okay? You're doing great. Just gonna push right here on the right, okay? How's that feel, okay?
Good.
Okay, hold on. Power's on. Give me 5. Yeah. Okay, you ready?